Hello friends, it's Shara. Thanks for stopping by. As you can see, we have a box opening. I am like so excited about this baby. I've never really searched for a particular baby. But there have been two that I've been looking for the last couple of weeks, and one of them I just could not find. It's a sold out limited edition, and there was only like 500, I think, created, and it was a very popular sculpt. I could not believe it. I actually came upon the prototype for sale, and it was in my price range, and I literally bought it right then. I was so excited, and I did end up finding a really adorable version of the other one that I was searching for, and I found them within days of each other, and I was just over the moon. So I really didn't expect to buy any more babies right now. I don't need any babies right now, but I had been looking for these, and the fact that this one came up and it's the prototype, I was like, if I don't buy this, I am going to kick myself. So here we go. I am just so excited. Okay, so it looks like we have a card here. I don't want this box all over. Cannot believe it's by an amazing artist who I already actually have a doll from her. So they will be studio sisters. So it was just perfect. It was perfect timing. It was just perfect. So a belly plate. You can see that skin tone. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Wow. You know, that's the darker skin tone that I love. This box is very precarious on here. I think because it's a bigger box and she's rolling this way. This looks like a really cute outfit. I think this was one of the original outfits with the prototype. So it looks like some barrettes. I think they're magnetized, and then a pacifier. That looks really cute. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Very beautiful. Stay up there, stay up there. Oh my goodness. I'll show you after we get baby out, because this is so slippery and this box is so precarious. Little panties that go with it. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's get to baby. Okay, baby was very well protected, lots of bubble wrap. So here, I'll show you everything now that it's a little bit more stable. So it wasn't magnetized bows. It was this really adorable headband. As you can see, just on the dainty string, very beautiful. Okay, and then really cute pink pacifier Nook. I showed you this, but let's get it out. This looks so beautiful and dainty. Oh, I just love it. This is so beautiful. It's almost like Swiss dots, an overlay, and this gorgeous lace. This is absolutely stunning. Very, very beautiful. And then there's also the little panties, and this had fallen behind. Look at this. Oh. Look at this little knit shirt with the lace and the bow. This is so beautiful. I just love it. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. Oh, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to see her. She is like a dream, honestly a dream. And of course, she reminds me so much of my newest grandbaby, Melei. This is a gorgeous blanket. Very beautiful, very thick. It says "Mommy loves me" with an elephant, 2 elephants. Oh, they're beautiful. This is very beautiful. As you can see, baby is tiny, tiny baby. She has a diaper. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Oh, she's heavy. Okay, so you can see she's wearing an adorable cheetah print sleeper in pink and gray, and then heather gray is the background. Oh, she feels wonderful. Okay, so let's get her feet out. Oh, her skin tone is incredible. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. She's not quite as dark as some of my other dark babies, but she's definitely more of an ethnic skin tone. Oh my goodness, she's beautiful. Wow, oh my gosh, this is a beautiful sculpt. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see your little hands. Let's see those pretty little hands. Oh, Pixie's joining us. I don't know if you can see her. Hey, Pixie. Today is my tiny dog's birthday. She is 12 today. We actually don't know when she was born, but we guesstimated, and today we've made her birthday. Oh my gosh, look at that little sweet hand. Oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. Her texture is amazing. Little tiny nails. Oh, I love her hand. Let's see who you are. Well, Pixie decided she wants to lay on the cellophane bag. She's gonna make all kinds of crinkling noises over here. And so this hand is in a fist with her thumb over her fingers. Oh my gosh, she's chubby but dainty. This sculptor just is amazing. I have another sculpt by this artist, by this sculptor, another one. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, where is your little nose? I think that's your little nose. All right, let me see that. Make sure you guys have a good view. A good view of the baby. And this baby was only displayed and has only had one mommy. She bought her directly from the artist. Oh my gosh. I'm almost gonna cry because I wanted this sculpt so bad, and I cannot believe that I got the prototype. She smells so good. She smells like the lady that had her had beautiful perfume. You know how sometimes that scent carries? Oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's Posy by Nikki Johnston. Oh my gosh, let me hold her. Oh, come here, baby girl. Oh my gosh. And she was done. Oh, honey. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take this little pink bow out of her hair. She was done by Leticia Moreno from Dreams of Tiny Angels Nursery, the same artist that did Ilaria. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. You are so beautiful, baby girl. I love you. Oh, her hair. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, here you guys go. Look at this baby girl. Look at this hair. Oh my goodness. She is gorgeous. Oh, I love you. Yes, I do. Oh, she reminds me so much of Melia. She's a Polynesian Asian doll, and as you know, my grandchildren are Polynesian, Mexican, and European Caucasian. Oh my goodness, she is so beautiful. Oh, baby girl, I love her hair. So she is a studio sister with Ilaria, my Maddie by Bonnie Brown, because they were both done by Leticia Moreno. So let's look at her paperwork so we can now match up her body plate. Painting is so beautiful. Let's see your belly plate. It's a belly plate, not a body plate. Oh, look at you. Oh my goodness. So she is the same sculptor that did my Kaya. The Delilah is done by Nikki Johnston. Oh, I love this. Beautiful. You are so beautiful, baby girl. Oh my goodness. So here is her birth certificate by Leticia, Dreams of Tiny Angels Nursery, Posey, 13 June 2018. Leticia works out of Spain. Very beautiful touch. And then she is prototype number 3 of 5. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Well, I am just over the moon with her. She is perfect. She's exactly what I wanted. And she reminds me so much of my baby Melia. She has such dark eyes and hair, and she has these great chubby cheeks. Oh my goodness, baby girl, you are beautiful. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness. I am so in love. I am just so thankful that I was at the right place at the right time to find her, because I'm pretty sure she would have been snatched up right away. And I want to give a nod to my granddaughter Melia in her name. And so I have named her Elese Melei, and it means noble flower or song child. and I think it's beautiful. The name Elese, E-L-E-S-E, and then Melei is M-E-L-E-I. And with my granddaughter being Melia, it's a nod to her. Oh my goodness, she is beautiful, just beautiful. I am so happy, so thankful for you, beautiful Elese. Yes, Elese, I love your name. All right, friends, well, thanks so much for joining me. Oh, I am over the moon with excitement for this little girl. She is so beautiful, and I couldn't be happier with her. I am so fortunate to be able to have found her. It says she was born June 18, but it says she was sculpted in 2019. I'm gonna have to check that. That's funny. All right, I don't know how many were in the edition. I think it's 500, but I could be wrong. And she does have a twin brother, Jack, who is sleeping, and he is even harder to find than Posey, but I will be on the search for him as well. Oh, I cannot wait to try these adorable outfits on her. They are so gorgeous. All right, as always, friends, we are sending you wishes of love and light, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.